Pennsylvania, Lackawanna, northern Wayne, Pike, southern Wayne, and Susquehanna. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 7 p.m. Monday. What? Heavy snow and mixed precipitation expected. Total snow accumulations of 9 to 15 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Where? In Pennsylvania, Susquehanna, northern Wayne, Lackawanna, Pike, and southern Wayne counties. In New York, Onondaga, Portland, Broome, and Sullivan counties.
9 to 15,
When
wow.
a mixture of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will overspread the area Sunday morning and continue through the daytime hours. The wintry mix then changes to all snow after midnight Sunday night and could be heavy at times through the day Monday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Additional details: the heaviest period of snow is expected to occur later Sunday night into Monday. Snowfall rates up to 2 inches per hour are expected at times.
Jeez.
Temperatures hover in the mid-20s to lower 30s through the event. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The Pennsylvania Department of Transportation and Pennsylvania Turnpike Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.511pa.com for the latest travel, roadways, and traffic conditions.